Pop-up cards are a delight to receive, so I figured why not learn how to make one for a change. This was made especially for someone turning 31. Some of the best ideas start with the question, what if? What if I make it square? What if I add cats? What if? Once that is sorted, with trial and error, any design can come to life. After browsing through an assortment of 12 by 12 inch open stock paper, I chose a heavy cardstock for the base and a double-sided birthday design to lay over the front, back, and insides. Here are the dimensions of each piece in inches. Using this tool I bought recently, I cut each piece down to size and then scored the paper for easy folding. This will be the base of the 5 by 5 inch card, over which I'll glue the pattern paper and the box. Here are the dimensions of the box in centimeters. Once this box is cut and scored, it'll be a breeze to assemble. If you don't have a slicing or scoring tool, a pair of scissors and a ruler will do just fine. Make do with whatever you have and then slowly upgrade your tools. Where there's a will, there's a way. Now it's time to assemble the card with a glue stick and/or double-sided tape. You know that carpenter's adage, measure twice, cut once? Well, I'd use one like that here as well. Measure twice, secure once. Decide where you want to place the box and make sure it doesn't extend beyond the edges of the card when closed. Then go ahead and secure it in place. Inside the box, you can add 1 or 2 strips of paper that will serve to hold the contents of the box. This can be done after the box is assembled. To save time painting each piece, I chose to cut out the number 31 and 2 cats, one of which just happened to be wearing a party hat, from the pages of a cat calendar. Don't you just love it when everything just comes together? This pop-up birthday card was a lot of fun to make. I hope this video has sparked more creative ideas for you. Thanks for watching!